What is reinforced steel? Steel reinforcement is commonly used in concrete structures. This is divided into two types of reinforcement, which are primary and secondary reinforcement. Primary reinforcement refers to reinforcement steel, which is used to guarantee the necessary resistance needed by the structure to support the design loads. Secondary reinforcement is also known as distribution reinforcement. This employs for durability and aesthetic reasons by providing enough localized resistance to limit cracking and resist stress caused by effects such as change in temperature and shrinkage. There are two types of grades in steel, which are mild steel and high-yield steel. Mild steel are referred to as R bars and have a yield stress of 250 MPa and are smooth in surface. High yield bars are referred to as Y bars and have a high yield stress of 450 MPa and are ribbon pattern on the surface. High yield tensile steel bars are the most used bars. As shown on this video, they are used on beams and also bases to columns and columns themselves. High tensile steels may have 10 times the tensile strength of wood and are twice as more of mild steel, which is why they are usually and commonly used.
Mild steel is one of the most common of all metals and one of the least expensive steels used. It is found in almost every product created from metal. Mild steel is a type of steel that only contains a small amount of carbon and other elements. It is weldable, very durable, relatively hard, and easily annealed. Most everyday items made of steel have some mild steel content. Because of its poor resistance to corrosion, it must be protected by painting or otherwise sealed to prevent it from rusting. At worst, a coat of oil or grease will help seal it from exposure to prevent rusting. This mild variant of harder steel is thus far less brittle and can therefore give and flex its application where a harder and more brittle material would simply crack and break.
Mesh reinforcement. Properties of weld mesh. Weld mesh reinforcement is a convenient and cost-effective alternative to conventional bar reinforcement for the following reasons. The mesh is manufactured in sheets or rolls, resulting in a quick and simplified installation process. The unique deformed wire pattern offers superior bonding, improved stress distribution, and frequency control. All intersections are resistant welded, thereby not reducing the basic strength of the wires. Weld mesh has an average shear strength equal to 80% of the wire strength. Uses of weld mesh. The weld mesh is generally used in surface beds like concrete floor slabs, concrete roads, concrete walls, culverts, or drains.